Cote d'Ivoire and the honor of Benin Republic, being 63-year-old today. I am deeply honored because it is unusual to make another head of state a special guest of honor in an independence celebration. Very unusual. This is my first official visit outside Nigeria. And I enjoyed myself. Benin Republic and Nigeria are co-joined twins. Twins join in the stomach. In every aspect of our history, we are one. And we have that one traceable to our DNA in all aspects. To have economic collaboration and cooperation and ensure stability in Africa contribute positively to the development of Africa. It's our responsibility. We have a very young population, and young history of democracy. Yes, from time to time, we will be challenged, but it is our responsibility to collaborate both politically and economically in order to promote peace and stability in our continent. It's a shared responsibility. I've enjoyed myself. I had a good lunch. I was well taken care of by the first family. My friend, thank you very much. And I will retaliate.
Il n'y a pas de question,